You asked for it, so here it is. Ever since we posted a short video showing the texture of this mayonnaise hair mask, quite a few people have been asking for us to share the full recipe on YouTube. So let's make a moisturizing, strengthening, deep conditioning DIY mayo hair mask. Mayonnaise actually has many qualities of a good hair treatment. There's oil to lubricate and moisturize the hair shaft, and eggs to provide strengthening protein. There's also lecithin in the egg yolk, which helps nourish and reinforce the hair's natural protective barrier. Then there's vinegar, which helps clarify buildup and mineral deposits. It also lowers the hair's pH level, smoothing the hair cuticle for less frizz and more shine. Let's get into what you'll need. First, of course, is mayonnaise, half a cup. I like to use avocado oil mayonnaise for its hair benefits, but for the purpose of getting to the point, I'll talk more about that later, so stick around for that. You'll also need 2 tablespoons hair conditioner. A thick hair mask or deep conditioner works best. You can also add an egg yolk for an extra boost of lecithin. Honey is an optional ingredient. It's a humectant that binds and attracts water, so it helps deeply hydrate dry hair. Here we have essential oils and optional silk protein. You can pick 1 or 2 from this list and read more in the video description. So now, let's make it. First, add your avocado oil mayonnaise. Add the conditioner and mix well for that luxurious custard texture. Now add essential oils. I'm using Beauty Within, which contains a combination of oils for hair health. I'm also adding Palmarosa to control oil production, 5 drops each one. Mix to combine, and you've just made the first variation of the hair mask, so if you want, you can stop here. It's very simple, but it's very effective, packed with protein and fatty acids to help strengthen and moisturize the hair. If you want, now you can add some optional ingredients to boost the mask even more. One of those is silk amino acids, a protein that penetrates deep into the hair shaft to help repair damage and prevent breakage. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon. As mentioned, you can also add honey to boost moisture retention and hair elasticity. However, it also gives the mask a more liquid texture, which can be harder to apply. You can skip the honey if you prefer a thicker mask. And finally, you can also add that egg yolk for fatty acids and lecithin. It might look like you're making breakfast, but it's amazing for your hair, and it actually makes the mask easier to rinse out too. So that's it. Your mayonnaise hair mask is done. As you can see, this version is more liquid, which some may find harder to use, so you can also just stick to the simple version of the recipe. I like to apply this mask on wet, freshly washed hair in the shower for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and follow with conditioner. But everyone's hair is different, so you may need to experiment with using this mask before or after shampoo and conditioner, depending on how it makes your hair feel. So one last thing. Why use avocado oil mayonnaise? Most store-bought mayonnaise is made with low-quality refined vegetable oils, such as sunflower oil, soybean oil, and canola oil, and it's becoming more well-known that these oils are not good for overall health. But when it comes to our hair, there's also evidence that these same oils, which are comprised of mostly polyunsaturated fatty acids, just sit on the surface of the hair. Whereas oils like avocado oil, which are high in monounsaturated fatty acids, can actually penetrate into the hair shaft. Of course, there's no conclusive evidence on which mayonnaise is truly best for hair care, and you can use whatever kind of mayo you have available. But I personally feel better about recommending avocado oil mayo when I know it's better for health, and I also believe it more deeply nourishes your hair. Visit our website, alifeadjacent.com, for the written version of this recipe, as well as other hair care recipes like this rosemary hair mask for hair growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more natural hair care and beauty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.